welcome back to my channel Kitty's Club. So today I thought of making a small review on Meesho app. So I think you all know what is Meesho app. It is basically a shopping app which has cheap items in it. So, and in the thumbnail that I have put, no one tells you the secret. So in the ending, I'm going to tell you one secret which no one tells you. Okay, so why to do late, and we'll start the video. So basically I've installed Meesho now because I did not have it in my tab. So this is my iPad, so now I've installed it. So let's go. Click on Meesho app. So as it is an iPad, this is what the screen comes. So here you have enlarge button, so you can enlarge and it becomes big. Okay. So now you have to go to account and you have to click on sign up, so that you will sign up to you'll get your account. So now you have to type your OTP which will come to your phone. Okay, so here they're asking that tap this icon to get help at any step. Okay. So about Meesho, and I have purchased 4 to 5 products on Meesho. So, and one thing worse than Meesho is if like the quality of dresses will be high in the photos or the pics which they upload for the selling purpose. But when we purchase it, the color will be different or the quality will be low, or sometimes the color will be different but the quality will be high. Like this, so many problems will face. So better you see the reviews, videos, and you can take any product you want. So I'm showing like how to see the review of it. So click any one pant or anything like that. So here we don't have any reviews, so please don't buy. So if you have any review, then only buy, because when you see that review videos, everything, you'll get to know the quality of the dresses. Or if you like the pant, or if you like any item so much, like if that item doesn't has review, don't worry, Meesho has a very good option for return. Okay, or exchange the pant if the sizes are more or less. Okay, so I bought one track pant, and I purchased the pink color track pant, but I got black color track pant. So this was a little confusing, but the track pant was really in high quality and the price was literally low. Okay, I got for 100 rupees 2 track pants, which the quality was high. So, and the color difference was there. So I thought of returning it back. So I thought of like exchanging, but exchange means if the sizes are increased or decreased, or you're feeling uncomfortable with it, you can exchange it. They'll give you the other size. So if you don't want to like exchange, you have to return it back. The Meesho people will come just one day. In just one day, they'll come back and they'll take the returned product. And the return of Meesho is very very fast. They come back, and after 2 or 3 days, they'll just refund you. Okay, and you have to fill up the bank details. If you go to the account, here you have all options. So this is refer and earn. So actually that time I couldn't sign up. So sign up is like I can do it later. So I don't want to do that. Okay, bank details means you have to put all your IFSC code, everything with that, and then they'll refund you in just 3 to 4 days. And you can there is also refer and earn. So if you just click on the code, they'll give you a code. If you just click on the code, it will copy, and if you share it to someone and they will order, if they order in your code, you'll get a information about it. And when their return period is over, you are getting some 50 for one product, 50 rupees. So if they buy more 4 products, then you get 200 rupees, and that 200 rupees they will transfer to your bank account. So this feature is also good. And you have lottery spin rewards. So like in 1 week they'll give only 2 lottery spins. So if you just click on the wheel, it will turn, and if it lands on 100 points, then you are getting 100 rupees. And you can buy whatever items here for 100 rupees, and they'll give you for free. or if it lands on just 15 points, then you're getting 15 rupees. Like that, lottery spins only 2 days a week you'll get. And Meesho credits, that's what Meesho credits means. All points or all money which you have earned, it will be saved in Meesho credits, so that when you're ordering something, you can choose the Meesho credits and then Meesho credit the money, and then you can buy, so that it will be free for you. Okay, so, and you can also sell on Meesho. So it is a long process where you have to give bank details, GST code and the PAN card code, everything you have to give, and then you'll get a website link. Then you can upload your images, your product images, and you can sell on Meesho. So that is also a good opportunity. So, and for let me see if there is some review for this. Yes. So the product is like this, and let's see the review. So the real product is like this. So not bad, a good product, but yeah, a good product, but little scrunchy and type of things. Okay, so let me see this. Okay, yeah, and I told you that time itself, so you have to see the review videos or photos and then only purchase. Some items will be good and some items will be okay and things like that. But Meesho will have return option also. So the secret of this Meesho, which no one tells you, is, so you can see this, for the first order you are getting 100% discount, 100 rupees discount on your first order. Okay, this is 396, 100% will 100 rupees will be discount, so it will be 296. Okay, so like this, so you can order any one product, and if you be ordering, you won't get any discounts. So only for the first discount first order you're getting 81 rupees or 100 rupees discount on the products. Okay, so what's the trick and what's the secret is, guys, please take your family numbers and you can order. That's what I did. I took my mother's, father's and my granny's, everyone's number, and I just ordered it because I wanted discounts on the every product. Okay, so when you take other numbers, so each number for the first order only you're getting discount, not for all. Okay, so not for second, third or like that order, so only for first order. So I took my mother's, father's and my family's number and I just ordered it. It is a nice product, guys. So it has, you click on category, it has all the categories, you can go whichever you want, and if you want some accessories or backpacks, click on done. Yeah, you have all accessories like electronics, jewelry, kitchen, health, footwear, sports and fitness. So if you click on this, so you're getting tripod and everything is new. So tripod and mic, everything you're getting for just 274 rupees, guys. See, you're getting a tripod, mobile tripod and a mic, so just for 274 rupees, and this big camera tripod is just for 329 rupees. So if you just order this, for the first order 98 rupees will be your discount, so that you're just paying 229 rupees. And this is also is very cheap and everything. See guys, this is a very costly tripod in Amazon and Flipkarts everywhere, and here you're just getting for 257 and 77 rupees discount, that is some 100 and change, you'll get something like that. So it's very good, guys, and excellent. So just 250 according to their company, they just put on the prices, so better you just go to the review part. So I think no one has taken it, so that's okay, you can try taking it. And this is a flexible tripod that I wanted to take for my videos. So it is an amazing tripod. In Amazon everywhere you almost get around 500 or 1000 rupees, but here you're just getting 310 rupees, that to 93 rupees off, and you're getting just for 200 and something, I don't know. See, it's literally amazing. And there's also a free delivery, guys. So there's also a free delivery for every product so you buy. For few products, which is very cheap, only it has So if you click on under 99 rupees, so you're just getting this, like under 99 rupees or 99 or 75 rupees. See, this is 28 rupees. When I go to this, here you have, guys, yeah, wait, yeah, this is rupees 43. So here they just gave free delivery, but no, actually it was just for 43 rupees, and here they've given 129 rupees. So it's never less. You have free delivery. If you take more than 100 rupees or like that, you will have free delivery on the products. But if you take below 100, like 40 rupees, 30 rupees, you don't have free delivery. They'll charge you almost 60 rupees or 100 rupees, so that even they have to get some profit. So this is what the Meesho app is. Don't forget the secret. Just go order in your family's phone number, so that you'll get offers for every product you buy. And this is what my trick was to buy. So, and again I'm telling, don't forget to check out the reviews. And that's okay if you don't check out the reviews also, because when you buy, if you don't like it, they'll give you some time for return, like 7 days or 10 days. In that period of time, if you return, there is no problem in it. So thank you guys for supporting me for my YouTube videos, and if you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel.